What is up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, I'm Joey50, and today, this week's video was supposed to be our Kentucky trip. However, Corey has clips on an external hard drive that I didn't get to capture because of the weather. It was raining. He has a GoPro, so he's a little more versatile with his camera. I should really invest in one of those so I can like record out in the rain and stuff. The cord to his hard drive broke, so I'm waiting for him to get a new cord, and then he's gonna send me some clips over for the Kentucky video. Hopefully that'll be next week's video. When I'm saying next week's video, I'm not implying there's gonna be a video every week. I would like there to be, but I'm gonna shoot for at least 2 videos a month. So today, I figured we'd go clean my EcoBoost because it's filthy, has pollen, bugs, bird shit, everything. From the road trip up to Michigan, it's disgusting. I'll show you guys in a minute. However, we got something very special in that box, which is coming to a video very soon. Don't read that. That's gonna be a video very soon, its own separate video. We got the kitties here. Hi, this is Sassy. She's new. It's his daughter. This is Kit. He's a good kitty. He's a good boy. But like I said, today we're gonna go clean the EcoBoost. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, look at this thing. It's disgusting. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's covered in pollen. Bug splatters all over the windshield. This thing is filthy. Look at all that dirt and grime, and look at my hair flowing in the wind. It's also dirty on the inside. As you guys can see, all that dust and grime, all the fingerprints on there. The floor is disgusting. We got water bottles. We have one. This door is all dirty. And even my back seat is. I'm about to bust this U-turn because we just passed the car wash, actually. I was not paying attention. I just seen gas prices here, at least, are $5.55. And I think that's absolutely crazy. I know it's a lot higher some other places, but here, that's absolutely insane. I heard it's supposed to get even higher. But just like that, we've arrived to the car wash. Currently, all 3 booths are being used up right now, but as I got here, I realized I forgot my wash mitt, which means we might have to hit the car with some waterless wash when we get back to the house, but that's okay. Wasn't really planning on using it. I was planning on using the wash mitt and getting all, but whatever. We're just gonna go about it and see what happens. But right now, since all bays are taken up, I'm gonna do my wheels. We're using Diablo wheel cleaner. Look at all that dirt and grime. That is disgusting. Alright, I had to put my hair up because the wind is absolutely nuts right now. I use the Diablo wheel cleaner. It does stain your wheels if you're not fast enough. So what I'm gonna do actually is I just gave them a light cleaning. I didn't go like super heavy or anything. I'm gonna wait for one of these booths to open up. And then when I'm washing the car, I'm gonna actually stop and spray the wheels again and then rinse it off with the water. I think that'll be the best way. I really need to invest in a wheel brush because that would probably give me the best clean. And these wheels are pretty old, and actually look at that. A booth is opening up right now. Here we go. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the windshield is still very dirty. Always bring your wash mitt. Don't forget it like I did, because now I have to go back over the car with some waterless wash. Actually, the car doesn't look too bad, but still some spots that definitely need it. We're gonna do the waterless wash right now because some spots on the car definitely still need it, as you can see like right there-ish, and around the other car you can only see like in the sunlight. However, the Fox body, I don't know if you guys can see that, is getting a bunch of pollen from the field over there when the garage is open. So the rear end of the car is the only dirty part. That might be next. Today we're going with Meguiar's waterless wash, and we got a waterless wash towel. If you guys, I'm sorry about my hair. If you guys have any recommendations for whether it be waterless wash, interior cleaning, exterior detailing, let me know, because everything I got is currently from Walmart. It's all Chemical Guys, I'm pretty sure. Let me look. Yeah, it's all Chemical Guys stuff. I know Chemical Guys isn't the best, so if you guys have any recommendations in the comments down below, let me know. I believe Joe uses Adams, and I'm actually a big fan of Adams, so I think we're gonna start buying that. For the interior, we're going to be using Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Cleans dash, glass, navigation, and more. All that jazz. And then we're gonna go over it with some Silk Shine Protectant, which is for vinyl, rubber, and plastic, which makes it pretty much look clean and pop. First, if we take a look at the outside, it's looking way better than it was. The glass is all still dirty. I need to go over that. It's really windy out here today. The wind is terrible. My hair is all messed up. It's a fun time. Okay, I busted out the big tripod because next up is the mats, miscellaneous garbage, and all that fun stuff before we start doing the trim and everything and the vinyl and the rubber. So we're gonna vacuum clean out the miscellaneous garbage right now, and then we're gonna start doing the interior. I also have a toothbrush in here that's only been used once. It's like just an emergency toothbrush, although it's looking kind of gross. I should probably throw it away. Oh yeah, that's kind of nasty. I just had this as like an emergency toothbrush, so I guess I don't really need it anymore. Look at this, 1, 2, 3 water bottles, snow brush, hold on, 4, a head sock from Accelerate. Your boy stays hydrated. All right, get a good look. This is before. Here's the passenger side floor mat. It's not perfect, but it's a little better. Same with the passenger side footwell. It's not perfect, but it's a little bit better, which is good. Honestly, this camera has wow. This vacuum kind of sucks. It's like very low powered. It's not the best, but I'm not going for perfect here. I'm just going for like clean. All right, now we're gonna use the Chemical Guys interior cleaner and protectant along the dash, steering wheel, gauges, the navigation, the door panels, pretty much everything in this car, and this is gonna make it all clean. Oh no, it's getting all over the camera. That's great. All right, we got the first of the interior done with the total cleaner. Dash is done. The trim right here. Yes, we will do the door jambs. Don't worry about that. Those are filthy. The door panels, both of them done. Right now, I'm going to go over and do the silk protectant, which is the other spray. Then I'll get back to you when we do that. I still need to clean out the cup holder because all I have right now is a bunch of coins. If anyone wants some spare change, let me know, hit me up. But I'm going to do the silk protectant and get back to you when that's finished. Okay, we did the interior. Nice, silky, clean, looks great. Floor doesn't look terrible. It's not perfect. Those are old shoes, don't look at those. Now we're gonna move on to the glass, because the glass is disgusting. I got some paper towels. The first spray I used that works on the interior also says it works on glass. So we're gonna do that. I'll come back to you when the glass is all sparkly and fishbowl-y. All right, and essentially that's it. This car is looking great now. The doors are shiny, the dash is shiny, the center console is shiny. I just have to clean out those coins.